In this video, I'm going to show you how to curve text in Design Space. I'm a little late on this video. This feature came out a month ago, maybe a little bit longer. But if you're in Troy Young's Facebook group, he made a video, so I didn't see a rush for it. But I have people asking, why don't you have a video on curving text? You have one on everything else. So here we go. First thing you're going to want to do is type some text and have it selected. If you don't have it selected, you're not going to have the option to curve it, okay? Now you have all your other options as normal. You have your font and your style, whether it's bold, italic, or whatever. The size, letter spacing. Let's go ahead and change this to 0. And no, that's a little too close. How about 1? There we go. And then you have your line spacing, your alignment. For multiple lines, you can align it all to the left, or you can center it, or align it to the right. Okay. So here we go. Curve. Now you're going to have a slider bar, and you're also going to have a value field where you can type in a number. And what I'll tell you is the smaller the number, the larger the curve. Okay. So let me just show you that. If I put in 30 here, that's this size curve I get. If I put in 4, that's the size I get. So the smaller the number, the larger the curve. Okay. So let me go back to 0, and then you can grab your slider and you can curve it either the ends either up or down. So here they go down, and here they go up. Okay, so it's a pretty simple feature. If you're happy with that, then go ahead and go to Make It, and you can cut it out. If you're not happy with that and you need to adjust these letters, then what you'll do is select it and go to Advanced and ungroup the letters. You can also ungroup over here in the Layers panel. All right, so now let's say I want to move these a little bit closer, and I want to move these a little bit closer. Now, I will say it does mess with your curve just a little bit, but it should be okay. Move this down just a tad. Okay, so now when you're done, each individual letter is they're not grouped or anything. Now, if you go ahead and you group them and you go to Make It, they're going to end up random letters in random order. So you don't want to group them, okay? So let me select it and ungroup it. Now, what you can do is you can select it all and attach. And then if you go to Make It, it's going to keep them in the same order they are on your design canvas, okay? And they'll cut just like that. If you have script font, you know, a handwriting font, weld it, and your letters should be touching, okay? So it's a pretty simple feature. That's about it for this video. So thanks for watching.